Introducing the new Everest Garage from Sojag, a versatile all-steel, all-season garage built to reliably shelter and store cars, boats, outdoor equipment, and much more. The durable, reinforced side entry door is 28 inches wide and can be installed on either side of the garage. Secure key lock handle and deadbolt enhance security and offer peace of mind about storing your valuables inside. The premium hardware features a brushed metal finish, adding a touch of style. Use the Everest as a primary garage or add it to your backyard or driveway to gain additional storage space. Perfect for sheltering sedans, SUVs, and mid-sized trucks. The full-sized garage door allows easy access to riding lawn tractors, UTVs, or other wide equipment. The wide bay allows access to full-sized vehicles easily from either side. Also perfect for extra garage space for a workshop or utility vehicle storage. The shelter includes 94-inch high walls to accommodate tall items and plenty of head clearance. The reinforced ultra-strong truss system gives support to a sturdy roof, which helps give the Everest a 35 pound per square foot ground snow load rating with a wind speed rating of 100 miles per hour. Permaplate, steel coating process. We start with premium cold-rolled steel. Next, we use a hot-dipped galvanization process, making it our most corrosion-resilient material. Our polyester-based primer is added for even better corrosion resistance. The final coating to the exterior of the steel is a premium textured paint with a stylish matte finish that resists scuffs and scratches. We coat the inside of the steel with a premium polyester paint to make sure all surfaces are protected. All of this premium quality allows us to offer an industry-leading 20-year limited warranty. The Sojag Everest comes in multiple sizes, 12 feet wide by 10 feet long for a large storage shelter or motorcycle or small utility vehicle garage, and in longer lengths to accommodate full-size sedans, SUVs, or mid-sized trucks. The Everest Garage, the ultimate all-steel, all-season shelter from Sojag.